Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year, guys. Welcome into your year of success, open doors, breakthrough, beautiful things, new videos, new makeup. Hope you guys are doing great, guys. I'm so excited. Finally, we are in 2021. Finally, 2020 is gone for good. In fact, that 2020 is like I jump and pass. It was, in fact, it was a good year. I don't want to be negative, you know. Alright guys, so for today's video, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do me a favor by hitting that red button down there. It is completely free. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and turn on that notification bell icon you see there, so you'll be the first to get my videos anytime I upload. So without wasting much of your time, guys, you guys can see I already started doing the makeup. I have my eyebrows down and I already concealed my eye and went in with my translucent powder, and now I'm going to start off with a brown eyeshadow shade as my transition shade. I'm going with a brown color. I'm sorry if I didn't show you guys the whole color, because you know, sometimes I just feel okay without wasting some of your time. You can use anything, so you can use any color as your transition shade. It depends on you. I just want to share this look with you guys. It's, you know, it's very easy, very simple. We just go in with my brown, and then I went in again with a black color, and then a navy blue. So the first blue I went in with was I used it from my classic eyeshadow palette. So it wasn't really going well. It wasn't, you know, that's the first time I'm using it, but I've had that palette for a long time. It wasn't, you know, staying on my lid, so I went into my other eyeshadow palette, which is my Gorgeous Me eyeshadow palette. So I packed that in with that blue, and since my brush is refusing to pack into my lid, you guys know I don't have shame. I went in with my hand, Jerry. This fine, we must find out together. So I went in with my thumb and I smashed that on my eyelid. Looking good is a good business, so so guys, that is it for that eye look. Wasn't it easy? Very fast? Yeah. So guys, for underneath my eyes today, I'm repeating the same thing I did on my lid areas. I'm going in with the same shade, the same 3-color shade that I went on my eyes. I'm going in with the brown, the black, and the blue color, the navy blue. So for my highlighting today, I don't want to go in too heavy, you know. I don't want it to be too much, to be too heavy. I just want to light, you know, highlighting today. So I'm going in with my LA Get Pro concealer to shade lighter on my skin too, and I'm just going to tap just a little of that, and I'll tap it into my face. And I'm not highlighting the other part of my face because this particular concealer, you know, get to dry up quickly and all that. So after applying it here and there, I decided to dab that first before going on top of the bridge of my nose and on my forehead and underneath my chin. So guys, after baking and contouring my face, I decided to go in with my highlighter and into the inner corner of my eyes and the side of my cheekbone and under my brow bone areas. And now I'm going in with this red on my lips. This looks so beautiful. Now I'm going in with that, and I just like the way this red is because I want the whole finishing of this lip look to look a little bit pinky. So I'm going in with my nude color. So after smashing those lips together, you guys can see that it's looking a little bit pinky, and that is what I want for this look. So guys, after fixing my fake lashes, I went ahead to spray my face off cam, and this is the final look, and I'm wearing my wig and my hair tie. Yo guys, tell me what you think about this whole look in the comment section. If you like it, which part is your favorite part, and don't forget to share, like, and comment. I love you all guys, and have a blessed year. Have a blessed new year. Bye.